Where do I fancy going today? Drumlanrig Castle? What's weird about a motorbike that's completely different from a car? When you go to a petrol station, you realise you are putting litres of flammable liquid between your legs, and I think that's the last place I want flammable liquid. I don't want no burning sensation there, caused by anything. You are so fluffy. I want one of you. I'll take a dozen. I've been told no, but I think Maple needs a friend, so we do need to look for more puppies. She's hit one, so she's old enough now to be a role model, even if she is an arsehole. She is an arsehole. She takes after her father. I'm so proud. That's a big dog. This lovely straight road. I wonder what we could do on this lovely straight road. I wonder what activities could be had on this wonderfully long straight road. Only if you think what to do on the way back. Look at this for a road. You could probably get a chopper up to at least 80 on this road. I feel violated, but I know I can catch them. I'm not immature. I am. So I have a bike, but we're remaining sensible. Just remembered that Donald Trump's in Scotland this week. Should we go and try and find him? Oh, I feel like I need to sneeze. Ah, what a tongue! Oh, sneezing on a car's bad. Sneezing on a bike's fucking terrifying. And we're going to keep this nice and slow through the magical forest. It's quite nice though. It's not as riddled with potholes as I remember. Them sheeps have got horns! Lucky I can outrun them. Oh wow, son, you are strong, aren't you? The castle straight ahead, lined with an adoring audience of sheep. Quite impressive, isn't it? There's a staircase from here. It's bigger than I remember. Nice though, isn't it? Even with the ominous clouds. But yeah, not a bad wee stop. It's quite a popular tourist attraction. It's an impressive building. Now let's try and get out of here without disturbing any more sheep. They're nice friendly sheep though. They're not feral ones that'll try and headbutt me off the bike. Not so far anyway. Although there is quite the gathering of them over there. It just got darker. I'm about to face a boss battle. Where's the ram? Sorry, I can't keep it any quieter. This is it. Sheep have got it good here, like, don't they? Oh, a wee dog, a wee excitable thing. Yes, I will play with you. Tell you what, since putting this camera on, I've not actually encountered too many bad drivers. What I need to do is go down to England. There's fucking hundreds down there. It's like as soon as you hit the motorway, most people have got a common courtesy to stay in the slow lane if they're going slow. Nah, as soon as you hit that border to England, they all sit in the middle lane and turn the motorway into a dual carriageway. Irritating as fuck. It is my pet hate. People just hog in the middle lane. A 360 cam so I can see how stupid I look when I'm actually trying to take corners. You're a good dog. There's two things I like in this world, two very broad spectrums. Anything with an engine that's not electric, and dogs. Hey, hello. I'll be up in a minute. Hey, 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 you good girl, aren't you? You big sook. You big sook. Hey, look at the derpy face sticking the tongue at the side. Is it playtime, is it?